How do you tell the difference between an Echeveria Melaco and an Echeveria Chroma? And it just so happened my Chroma has finally put on a show. Okay, so the color there, it looks like variegated tip there. So I'm going to point it out. See those ones there? Like a light salmony color tip. So that's a Chroma. Melaco will never show coloration like that. And also the surface of the leaves, hang on, I'll just put this other one because this is also, so that's a Melaco and this is a Melaco. And so the Chroma, so you can see the shininess, and then the Chroma has got matte, the surface, although it has facets. Those are called facets on the surface, on the tip, the edges. So it's like a stone that's been cut. So that's the difference between the Chroma and the Melaco. The Melaco will also exhibit a little bit of faceting on older plant. So you can tell the difference here. It's got a slight faceting, but Melaco is way shinier than the Chroma. So there you go. So now Melaco, Chroma. Melaco, Chroma. And this one now, that's the confusing part is when they're grown in the shade. So this is a Chroma, and when it's grown in the shade, it also exhibits sort of a dark tone, but it's thicker. The leaves are far thicker than the Melaco. The Melaco, the tips are finer. So you can see the difference. So thicker is Chroma, finer is Melaco. Matte finish, so it looks like it has more powdery farina on the surface, like that white powdery, very slight. So, okay, that's probably showing it more there. So you got more farina even in the back there. You got more farina compared to the Melaco, which hardly has any farina at all. Okay, so if I go to this one here, that's a Melaco, and even though on a mature plant you can tell that the edges of the leaves are much finer compared to the Chroma. So there you go, and that's how you tell a Melaco from a Chroma.